the altar first, and then he tore down and destroyed it, which means that the altar must be identified before it is destroyed. And why is this so? Because you cannot break a covenant you have not discerned. Those represent agreements with darkness, just as the altar Noah built represented an agreement with God, with the light. Throughout scriptures, we see ungodly altars being associated with idolatry, bloodshed, sin patterns, or generational covenants. And even if the physical structure is gone, the spiritual agreements remain active. So this is why warfare requires discernment and not just noise. The pattern in scripture: exposure before destruction. God consistently exposed the root before commanding destruction. Let us look at Elijah. When Elijah confronted the prophets of Baal in 1 Kings 18, he did not just randomly pray. What he did, he identified the altar of Baal, and then he rebuilt the altar of the Lord before fire fell. In a similar account, when Josiah brought reform in 2 Kings 23, he systematically located and destroyed the altars of idolatry across the land. So the biblical pattern, like I said, it is very clear. Revelation precedes demolition. However,